What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can remove your phone number from TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Just remember that once you remove your phone number from TikTok, the number which you just removed is not gonna have anything to do with TikTok anymore. Which means if you receive notification and security calls on that phone number, then now starting now when you unleak that number, nothing is going to be shown on your messages or like on your SMS of that phone number, because your phone number is no longer linked with your TikTok. So you need to keep this information in mind before you take the action of unlinking a phone number. Now before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's get into the video without any further ado. First step, open TikTok and click on profile at the bottom right corner. And at the top right corner, there's the three line, click on it. Once you're over here, click on where it says manage account. Now once you're in manage account, over here where it says phone number, click on it. Now if you want to remove this phone number, click on where it says unlink phone. Once you click on unlink phone, your phone number will be unlinked, which means your phone number will be removed from TikTok. But if you want to change your number, then you need to click on change phone and it's gonna ask you to enter your new phone number. Once you enter your new phone number and verify it through SMS verification, your new number will be added and your old number will be removed automatically. So that's how you guys can remove your phone number from TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody and peace out.